Greetings to the students of class 5. Dear students, you are welcome to the maths class. Today we will solve question number 11 to question number 15 of worksheet number 5. So let's start. Dear students, let's solve question number 11 of this worksheet. Find the length of the chalk. Here we are given with 4 options. We have to tick mark the correct option of this question. Now let's measure the length of this chalk. Dear students, on this scale, these big marks represent centimeters and these small marks represent millimeters. On measuring this chalk, we get 5 big marks, that is 5 centimeters, and 8 small marks, that is 8 millimeters. So that means the length of this chalk is 5.8 centimeters. So dear students, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 5.8 centimeters. Now we will tick mark option D here. Now let's move forward to the next question. Question number 12 is convert the time shown in the clock into 12 hours notation. Here we are given with 4 options. We have to choose the correct option and tick mark it. Dear students, on moving forward, look at this picture very carefully. I have represented 24 hours clock and 12 hours clock in this picture. The time in 24 hours format is 16 hours and 30 minutes. And the same time in 12 hours format is 4:30 p.m. Now let's solve this with another method. Dear students, the time up to 12 o'clock is the same in 24 hours format and 12 hours format. Here we have 12:30 in 24-hour clock and 12:30 p.m. in 12-hour clock. On adding 1 to each side, we get 13:30 and 1:30 p.m. Again adding 1 hour, we get 14:30 and 2:30 p.m. Again adding 1 hour to both sides, in 24-hour clock we get 15:30 and in 12-hour clock we get 3:30 p.m. Again adding 1 hour to each side, in 24-hour clock we get 16 hours 30 minutes. In 12-hour clock, we get 4:30 p.m. So, dear students, that means the correct answer of this question is option B. So, we will tick mark it. Now, let's move forward to the next question. Which of the following are the examples of 3D shapes? Here are 4 options. In the first option, there is ice cream cone, dice and almirah. Dear students, here in these pictures we have length, breadth and height. So that means these are 3D shapes. Now let's move forward to option number B. This is circle, triangle and line segment. Dear students, these are not 3D shapes. Now let's move forward to the option C. Option C is square and rectangle. These figures have length and breadth, so these are 2D shapes. Option D is none of these. So dear students, the correct option of question number 13 is option A. So we will tick mark option A of this question. That is ice cream cone, dice and almirah are 3D shapes. Dear students, let's solve question number 14. Which of the following represents ray AB? We are given with 4 options here. We have to tick mark the correct option. Dear students, look at option A. This is a point. Point is represented as dot. We can represent it with the tip of a pencil. We can name them with letters of English alphabet like A, B, C, etc. Next is line segment. If we take a part of the line, then arrows are not marked. This finite part of line is called line segment. It has two endpoints. Dear students, next is line. When a thread or rope is held between any 2 points A and B and is stretched endlessly in both directions, then it forms a line. A line has no endpoints. Dear students, the next one is ray. In our daily life, we use word sun rays. These rays come from sun directly to the earth. Here, a ray is a fixed track path which has one end fixed and another end goes infinitely as shown in the figure. A ray has no fixed length. Its name is written by taking two alphabets together. To represent a ray, starting point is named first and second point can be taken anywhere on the ray. So dear students, this figure represents ray AB. So dear students, look at the question number 14 carefully. We have to find out which one is ray out of these options. So dear students, option D is the correct option. So we will tick mark option D here. Now next question is question number 15. Dear students, the question is, the side of each square shown in the shape is 1 centimeter and area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Then by counting the square, find which shape having least area. Dear students, look at option A here. In option A, let's count how many squares are there. So let's start counting. Yes, dear students, in option A, there are 12 squares. So dear students, we know that side of a square is 1 centimeter. So the area of a square is 1 square centimeter. That means area of 12 squares is 12 square centimeter. Now option B. There are 12 squares. Side of a square is 1 centimeter. Area of a square is 1 square centimeter. So area of 12 squares is 12 square centimeter. In option C, there are 9 squares. Side of a square 1 centimeter. Area of a square is 1 square centimeter. Area of 9 squares is 9 square centimeter. Now let's move forward to option D. There are 14 squares. Side of a square is 1 centimeter. Area of a square is 1 square centimeter. Area of 14 squares is 14 square centimeter. So dear students, that means the shape which have least area is option C. So we will tick mark option C here. Now it's time for homework. Dear students, for homework, you have to revise questions from 11 to 15 of worksheet number 5. Thank you so much.